जो ट्रेड किया है मैंने, तो उसका मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ, तो आपको कुछ क्लैरिटी हो सकता है, शायद कुछ मिले, है ना. So basically I have taken trades on Tata Motors. So what I have done morning is, basically wait patiently, and then market fell down and then again reverse back. So at that time I found some kind of price action, so how I can draw and support and everything, all that. So this was the major support area. So you can see, so market it pulled back and then again started falling down, but it didn't come down below this one, okay, openings candle. So see, let me explain here. So deeply I had wait for the until 10 o'clock or 10-11 o'clock. So after that only I had entered. So see, basically my way of trading and way of that making a patience, it's kind of, it's very difficult for the beginners and new traders, even though some experienced people as well, because see, so what I have done is, let me explain. So I had patiently, I wait for some time. So after that what happened, it reject the trend of this area, okay, and then it started showing some weakness, okay. So what is weakness? So I hope you can see the volume as well. Drastically it reduce volume also. So the morning time it rise very nicely, and then after that again this area they show very nice strength, and then again fell back, okay. After that it went for the sidewise for it's nicely it went sideways. So first let me show you my entry, okay. So what I have done is morning 11:04 I have sorted at 4:56:15, okay. So 4:56:15. So what time? So time also you can check, 11:04, okay. So 11:04, 11:04 where it comes, this area only, okay. So 11:04 this area only it comes. So after that I had taken, I think after breaking this candle, so I had taken. So if you see minor trend line as well, so you can find out here, it's a basics, and also what happened is gap was, it's filled up, okay. Gap was filled nicely. It's not exactly gap should fill, but making it's some continues a trend, and try to fill the gap, but after that again reject, okay, that's okay, no problem. We don't have to wait for the gap to fill, we just have to wait for the our percentage to be hit, that's it, okay. So market wherever it goes, let it go, but we should follow our price action. So here let me explain here. So after that what I have done is I have taken trade here, okay. तो उसके बाद मैं क्या किया था, तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर कंटिन्यूसली ऊपर भी गया, नीचे भी आया, ऊपर गया, नीचे आया, इट्स काइंड ऑफ चॉपीनेस, ओके. सो बेसिकली इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है. हम दूसरा क्या कर सकते हैं, उसमें कुछ नहीं कर सकते दूसरा भी, बस एक ही चीज़ कर सकते, स्टॉप लॉस लगाओ अपना, बैठ के कुछ भी करते रहो, ठीक है. दैट्स द पॉइंट नंबर 1, okay. And that's the key of key. It's kind of if something you have to ignore, then just leave it like that, and then stop doing some other things, that's it, okay. But what I had done here, the target was somewhere after I entered here, target was almost 6 point I had kept. So it was a huge target I kept, actually 1.3% target is kind of it's I didn't expect. But what I have done is I had, see, you can see the 452 452 452 around 2 o'clock where it comes, this area 452, this area exactly I had closed, See, if you don't believe, then you can see 14,8,452. See, 14,8. See, exactly on this area I had. How? I think there is a question mark for your, you know, on your head. So let me explain that as well. तो क्वेश्चन मार्क कैसे आ जाता है, तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं माइनर एक मेजर सपोर्ट एरिया है, क्योंकि दिस एरिया इज़ द वाई दिस इज़ अ मेजर, वाई आई एम कॉलिंग अ मेजर. सो इवन दैट ऑल्सो लेट मी एलोबरेट. ओके, सो सी, आप ये तो समझ सकते हैं ना. You can see those areas there was a huge buyer as well and seller as well. Okay, and market took support from this area and then bounced back. Okay, so this is the main, you know, support it becomes. Okay, because morning itself while opening it opened, like, you know, with a full kind of there was a strength. Okay, तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ था, देखिए काफ़ी अच्छे से एक स्ट्रॉन्ग वो दिया था यहाँ पर. तो जाहिर सी बात है यहाँ से थोड़ा नीचे आना थोड़ा पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं था. तो मैंने क्या किया, अपना स्टॉप लॉस यहाँ से 6 पॉइंट से ट्रेल करके ऊपर खींच दिया. खींच के चलो भाई टारगेट अपना हिट हो जाए बस. और फिर ये भी आप देख सकते हैं, तो मैंने इसका ज़्यादा वेट नहीं किया. तो ये ब्रेक डाउन जैसे हुआ तो फिर मैंने क्लोज़ कर दिया था. क्यों क्लोज़ किया? बिकॉज देर वॉज अ टाइम was almost over, so it left only 1 hour, so I closed that. Okay, that's the point. Very you have to focus what I am saying if you want to become a good patience trader and become a, you know, successful in understanding the chart, not the money comes from anywhere. You know, if you do job also they will pay you, but while sitting on the computer, so you must have to understand those chart, what you have draw. Okay, what you are doing on the chart, and this chart is your friend, so you must have to understand his feelings, how it is performing and everything, all that, you know. तो ये यहाँ से बस इतना ही है, और तो कुछ नहीं है, ज़्यादा बोलने का फ़ायदा भी नहीं है. ठीक है, तो ये था आज का. तो सिंपल सी मैंने यहाँ से लिया था और यहाँ पर क्लोज़ किया था. मुझे काफ़ी टाइम लगा, बट स्टॉप लॉस मैंने कहाँ लगाया था, तो आप सीधी सी में आप देख सकते हैं स्टॉप लॉस एक यहाँ पर मैंने जब लिया था. तो स्टॉप लॉस मैं किधर लगाऊंगा, इधर ही लगाऊंगा. लगाया होता तो कितना लगाया होता है, 0.50 टू 0.60. हिट हुआ कहीं भी नहीं हुआ. क्यों नहीं हुआ? क्योंकि इट्स काइंड ऑफ गुड रिजेक्शन वेयर आई हैड टेकन एंट्री, तो इसीलिए उसको हिट होने का सवाल ही नहीं था. तो ऐसे था. ठीक है, तो आप देख सकते हैं, ये आप देख लीजिए, आप खुद ही एनालाइज कीजिए what basis I have done, everything I have explained. The key is you have to understand. So if you want further any kind of good suggestion, if you need, so tell me in the comment, so I can, if I have a time, I can explain. Okay, so thank you everyone.